The big story breaking right now. Republic Day violence accused Deep Sidhu stands to be arrested. He was on the run for the past 2 weeks. He's been arrested by the special cell of Delhi police. And Manish is breaking the story first on India Today. He's joining us live with the latest updates. Manish, I believe he was arrested by using very high level of surveillance technology by the Delhi police.
Yeah, of course, from last, 1 week, several teams of Delhi Police Special Cell, they were working, with the help of cyber police to track the location of Deep Sidhu. Recently, 3 days back, Delhi police learned that the videos were indeed recorded by Deep Sidhu. It was sent to a female friend in Canada, and she was uploading videos on Deep Sidhu's behalf, in which Deep Sidhu made several allegations against farmers, and it said that he will surrender himself before the police. He also said that he has nothing to fear because he has not done anything wrong, but that was his claim. Now, Delhi police, after going through the surveillance, an operation was led by the DCP of Special Cell, and finally he has been arrested. Now, it is still not clear about how his arrest was made, and was there any communication between Delhi Police Special Cell prior to arrest of Deep Sidhu with him, and the exact details of the operation will be shared by the Delhi police in some time from now. But the big breaking news at this point of time is that Delhi police has arrested Deep Sidhu. He is one of the prime accused in the case, and as of now the remand copy is being prepared by the Delhi police, so that in the afternoon when he'll be produced before the court, Delhi police will be asking for his maximum custody, that is 14 days. Chatty.
Manish, I also want to come to you on this angle. There are certain Khalistani supporters who have come out in support of Deep Sidhu as well, while there are several sections of the farmer union leaders who have labelled him as a traitor.
Yeah, of course, the farmer unions have distanced themselves from Deep Sidhu long back after his videos came into public, and after he made several remarks against the farmer union leaders, calling them Gaddar. Now, as far as the Khalistani links are concerned, now these are allegations at this point of time that Deep Sidhu had any link with Khalistani leaders or Khalistani terrorists or not. As far as, Khalistani terrorists are concerned, they have made several claims, and on social media, there are several people unknown through unknown Twitter handles. They have supported Deep Sidhu. But again, the Ministry of Home Affairs and Delhi Police has claimed that, such Twitter handles have been banned by the Delhi Police, because there is a organized and systematic effort by several Khalistani terrorists, to derail not this movement, but also use this as an opportunity, for their own agenda. So Khalistani terrorists are working behind this. This is according to the sources within the MHA and, Delhi police. But as far as links of Deep Sidhu is concerned, there is no confirmation on that front. But of course, yes, there are several Twitter handles alleged to be, linked to Khalistani terrorists. They have supported Deep Sidhu. Now it will be, investigated by the Delhi police whether, there was any verified Twitter handle, and what was the real propaganda and agenda behind those social media claims and tweets regarding support to Deep Sidhu.
Absolutely. Manish getting us the entire story right there, all sides right here, and the entire story on the arrest of Deep Sidhu. First up, visuals of Deep Sidhu on your screens after the arrest. Remember, he's the same man who's been alleged of instigating the violence that transpired on the Republic Day. He's brazenly gone ahead and even done a Facebook Live from the Red Fort. He's been uploading videos to Facebook as well. He has been in hiding. He has been on the run. But finally, he stands to be caught by the Delhi police. Let's now take a look at Sidhu's role in the Republic Day violence that shamed the country.
A massive show of strength and a shock diversion from the original rules. A part of the Republic Day tractor rally turned violent and breached Delhi's Red Fort. The Umbrella Kisan Morcha accused a Punjabi actor and a splinter Labour farmer grouping for instigating the rampage.
लाल किले के भीतर जाके झंडा फहराना तिरंगे के अलावा दूसरा, उसके अंदर दीप सिद्धू ने बिल्कुल खुल के भूमिका अदा की। ये वो दीप सिद्धू हैं जो पिछले 4 महीने से किसान संगठनों के साथ लिपटने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। किसान संगठनों ने कहा है कि इस व्यक्ति को बिल्कुल दूर रखा जाएगा क्योंकि इनके अलगाववादी रुझान हैं।
The 36-year-old Deep Sidhu is seen cheering the hoisting of the Nishan Sahib, the Sikh religious flag on a pole mast at the iconic 16th century fort. Deep Sidhu wears multiple hats. Film star in Punjab. His tryst with politics began when he helped Bollywood actor Sunny Deol in his Lok Sabha campaign in Gurdaspur.
इनकलाब है सर, ये रेवोल्यूशन है. And if they are not going to understand the seriousness of this matter, trust me, it's going to be, it'll define the next political structure of this whole geopolitics of this entire country and South Asia.
Late last year, Sidhu jumped into the agitation over farm laws, but he ended up upsetting unions because of his style and speeches. Sidhu was barred from speaking from any of the main protest podiums. Farm unions find Sidhu to be one of the main culprits behind what all unfolded at the Red Fort on the Republic Day.
दीप सिद्धू ने जो किया है, हम उसकी कड़े शब्दों में निंदा करते हैं और हमें लगता है वो सरकार का दलाल है। आज जो उसने किया वो अति निंदनीय है। हमारा लाल किले पे जाने का कोई प्रोग्राम नहीं था।
But Sidhu denied accusations.
Public sentiment ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਜੈਨੂਇਨ ਸੈਂਟੀਮੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਇਗਨੋਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਕਹੀ ਗਈ ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਵਾਂਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਹੁਣ। ਸੋ ਔਰ ਸੰਗਤ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਉਹੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਊਗਾ। ਉਸ ਵਹਿਣ 'ਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪ ਮਹਾਰੇ ਸੰਗਤ ਚਾਰੇ ਪਾਸਿਓਂ ਲਾਲ ਕਿਲੇ ਵੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਧੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਤਾਂ ਦੀਪ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਸੀ। ਸਿੰਬੋਲਿਕਲੀ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤੇ ਕਿਸਾਨੀ ਦਾ ਝੰਡਾ ਲਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਔਰ ਤਿਰੰਗਾ ਦਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਝੂਲ ਰਿਹਾ। ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਪੰਥ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਦੇ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨ ਝੂਲ ਰਹੇ ਆ।
Police sources say they are probing the role of this man, Lakha Sedana from Punjab's Bathinda district, an alleged gangster facing more than a dozen cases, including murder and attempted murder, now in activism. Bureau Report, India Today.
This remains.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.